So, sir, so tell me about your goal manifested. You are thinking about Ertiga car, and you made it. We are very happy. Can you please share a little about that journey?
Sure, definitely. See, before attending this midbrain activation and this class, right? I mean, I always wanted to buy a Ertiga because I have a big family. Along with my parents, I wanted to have that family car. So I had a Swift Desire. So and then I attended this class sometime in January, and then within 2 weeks I got promoted to next level, and then to my surprise I was given a perk from my office that I can go for a car. That time around I was eligible for I-20, so even I booked it, and then I waited for my car. For whatsoever reason, the wait time was 3 months. And to my surprise, okay, my organization revised the policy and increased the slab. Now I'm eligible for Ertiga or a equivalent car.
Your dream
So
car.
yeah, my dream car. So I just opted in for Ertiga. I got it. So in fact, during the class, I was asked to write short term and long term goals. So this was one of my goals. So I should buy MPV Ertiga. So that got manifested, but it took a while. So, but it all started in January itself. Immediately after I attended the class, I was really surprised. That too, I could have got only I-20, but for whatsoever reason, that 3 months wait period, something was happening in the background. That policy got altered, and then I got my own car which I wished for. So that was it.
Very good. Your weight loss, sir. That is also big, sir.
Yeah, I started doing intermittent fasting, and then in my goal I wrote I should have a flat belly by within 2-3 months, and surprisingly it happened, and I stopped doing my intermittent fasting these days, but still I'm reducing my weight, but naturally, and I'm active. So this is one another goal that was manifested, and then
brain activation.
yes.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.